This is a demo to identify how a workflow is used to create an opportunity from a lead. So for instance, a user creates a lead, maintains some information, then sends it for approval to a manager. The manager opens the lead, reviews all the information, then approves the lead, and then an opportunity is created on the back of this lead. So we'll see how this works on the CRM Web UI system. And in this example or the demo, I am the person who is creating the lead, and I am the same person who would be approving the lead for it to be created as an opportunity. So therefore we would be selecting a standard role to demo this. So the role that I'm selecting is a Sales Pro role. I go into the Work Center sales cycle, select leads, click on a new lead, maintain a description, demo for lead to opportunity 1, maintain a prospect, search for your prospect. This is a compatibility view issue for IE11, so that's why the pop-up comes up a little smaller. So I'm going to select one of the customers here, which is Mason Enterprises, which is our prospect. So I enter an end date, so 19th. So I'm going to assign it to Mr. Noah Edmund myself to approve of this. So initially the lead's status is open, so I'm going to leave it as open. I'm going to set a specific priority as A. Bear in mind, the most important thing here for approval is the qualification level. In our workflow configuration settings, I have set it to completed. So once the user selects the qualification level as completed, the lead then is sent to the approver, which is Noah Edmund in this case, to approve this lead. And now we have 3 errors, which is asking us to maintain some sales area information. We scroll down to the to assignment block organizational data. Select your sales organization. Asking us to maintain the distribution channel, number 10. And the errors are gone. So I want to maintain some notes. This is a lead for approval. And I'm going to save this lead now. As you can see, the message here is transaction 20 is saved. So our transaction is number 20. So now what I will do is I will go to my own home page. That's where I would get the workflow task. As you can see here, there's a workflow task here under the home page. There's another work center called work list. Even here you will see the same workflow tasks. Here, as you can see, you can refresh it. So this is the same workflow task that you saw on the home page work center. So I click on this particular task. Then you will see what is the subject of this task, the status, all of the information related to that specific lead that I created. And this is the associated object. So all I have to do is there are various decisions here. So I select create opportunity and then I click on execute decision. Basically this will create the opportunity from this lead if I'm happy with all the information on the lead. I as a manager will select the execute decision button. You get a message that decision is successfully executed and the work item is completed. So now the opportunity is created. So all you have to do is just refresh it. The workflow task disappears from your list. So now the lead that we created is 20. So under recent items you can see number 20 is our transaction, number 20. This is a lead that I created. So if I scroll down, look at the transaction history item, you will see that the opportunity is now created and it is attached to this lead as a document flow, which you normally see on your SAP GUI screen. As you can see, WF batch workflow batch has created this opportunity on the back of this lead based on certain information. So you can look at this particular opportunity. This, the ID of this number is number 13, and all of the information is copied because it is created through a copy control. Every piece of information, that is your description, the prospect, the address, the contact person, the start date, all of that information, whatever you've mentioned, is copied into this. And this is your new MI opportunity which is created, which is Malvern Instruments opportunity. So this is the completion of the demo where we have managed to create an opportunity on the back of a lead when it is approved. Thank you very much.